Hello, today we'll be reviewing the NEWYES Scan Reader. This is a smart translation pen that allows you to scan any papers, documents, books, or even vocally translate up to 55 languages offline. This is using text scanning feature. If the pen is connected to Wi-Fi, then it can also translate up to 112 languages, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and open up the product to see what's inside. The packaging is really nice. So on the inside, it looks like we have the translating pen. Along with the translating pen, we also have other content such as the test card, which allows you to use the pen to translate certain items on here into a different language. It also comes with a bag for storage. It's very soft, so there's no damage that can be done to the pen. And of course, it comes with a charging cable. The pen is one of 3 made in the company, and the improvements are noticeably different. There are more offline languages, and you're able to use this pen whether you're left-handed or right-handed thanks to the left-right hand mode feature, which is really cool. The touchscreen itself is a decent length, so you're able to see everything on the screen perfectly clear. There is 8 gigabytes of built-in storage in this product, and that includes things that you can store on there such as music or files. I would also like to mention that this pen is very lightweight, and I love the fact that it isn't too bulky or weird, because when you're using the pen, in my personal opinion, I like to have it so that it's more natural feeling, and it's not feeling like you're holding a whole phone or something of that size in order to get the results that you want. But as you can see, it's very clear and glossy, which also kind of makes me think that it'll show some fingerprints over here. But again, that's nothing that can't be fixed with a little bit of a cotton cloth or something that isn't so harsh to the screen, or something that's not going to make it get scratched. So as you can see over here, this pen looks like it's made out of metal. So this part of the pen over here has 2 LED lights. So this allows for the scanner to better read and get a better visual of the text that it's trying to translate. So over here, we have the power button, of course, and these are definitely the volume buttons. So with the volume buttons, it can also be used during voice translation mode. There are noise cancellation microphones on top as well, which is really cool. So you're able to hold it and talk into it like this, and kind of go back and forth. Here's the loudspeaker. That allows for the voice translation to kind of go back and forth. This button over here will be for your language that you're trying to, go over towards the next person. And then just to get it back from their language to yours, you click the other button over here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you some of the other features that are on this pen. So obviously there's the text translation. And then we're gonna get into this one. This is the voice dialogue, the one that you use and talk through, and you're able to talk back and forth between you and another individual. Over here is where I mentioned earlier, where it has 8 gigabytes of data where you can store music that you can upload, and it gives you directions on how. And then recordings as well, which you can record different things from this pen and it'll store it and keep it on file. Over here, you can add excerpts onto the pen. And here's the dictionary button. And over here, it looks like you can store some of your favorite words or sentences from what you've scanned or talked about so far. And in the settings section, you can connect your Bluetooth, you can adjust your volume, Wi-Fi, your line scan, brightness of your display. You're gonna see what accent you would like. This is your holding pen direction. So like I said earlier, there's a left-handed mode and a right-handed mode. In this case, I am right-handed. Device language, any upgrades that you may need. So it looks like I need to upgrade this pen as well. So I will update that a little later. And any further more like about information, it has the model number everything like that right over here and handy and ready to use. So my primary is English, and I just did for an example, my husband's family is Bengali, so I clicked Bengali, and you just click the plus button, and now my dialogue has been selected. Over here is going to be English, and over here is going to be Bengali. So I will do an example of both to kind of see if it works and how efficiently it works. So let's go ahead and try it out. Hi, my name is Tara. How are you?
Oh hey, amar naam Tara. Apni kemon achen?
Okay, now let's go ahead and try it from Bengali to English. Amar naam ki Tara, ki kortecho?
My name is Tara. What are you doing? Rack up points by playing cards to the stacks, but watch out. You can't repeat a color or number. Choose when to stop and score the best stack, or push your luck and go for more.
So it just read off what the English paragraph that we just scanned was. And if you look over here, it'll have translated version written down into a different text for you. If you wanted to hear it in a separate language or hear it through your ears instead of your eyes, you go ahead and you click this button over here.
ஸ்டாக்குகளுக்கு சீட்டு விளையாடுவதன் மூலம் புள்ளிகளை சேகரிக்கவும், ஆனால் கவனிக்கவும். முற்றுப்புள்ளி. நீங்கள் ஒரு வண்ணம் அல்லது எண்ணை மீண்டும் செய்ய முடியாது. எப்போது நிறுத்த வேண்டும் என்பதை தேர்வு செய்து சிறந்த ஸ்டேக்கை பெறலாம் அல்லது உங்கள் அதிர்ஷ்டத்தை தூண்டி மேலும் பலவற்றை செய்யுங்கள்.
And it looks like it translated it perfectly. To conclude the review on the Scan Reader pen, it is useful for those who want to branch out and learn many different languages, or someone who travels a lot. It is definitely worth investing in and buying. I really love this product, and see you next time.